is natural. It do no quarry the way I feel about you know young Yansan. It will help all this will pretending. Nini a better. I just don't have any good so. Two months and any try, I only have to be too salmon because of who any must say. Or by expressing the way you're feeling. Many sure old or bear man out or baby now proposing money pana. Or by ignore. Debbie, or by embracing with a whole lot of
because of shock and background preventing.
Pen, no more.
For any adult from Aquabasunko and Poma Obibia, Yamisha, so said under Damina, a brain, a G, a Dretia, and some way a day, ever some more away feeding, cases, Madame Allergy, and Amani, a Gusu, a motion, and a day, dear, a year, and Sylvia Babato, Apuso of the for Esawani, and say, a car edit your video be echo viral, not just say, a year, a brand Tibia will propose it to a year, a buyer be a year, Nigeria, a year, Krunu, a market square baby, chess. Honor abayano echifa ya branches wuti kasanimu aso munjami edeba sem den ya jese beme isha tade na woda for moda chemo patcho senka eye ni proposal yi ebetimi akoso ede amanu nanso so anyeye amfama ne dey abrante no ababontin ede nsema bi ababeto ede na mman ko hwe video no na ye mbra ne ye ba ye de ne nsem no so atoa eso.
Hello! Hello! Hey.
Jesus. Nanya ya. Jesus Christ, I used to see this thing in the floor. Let it stand up. What is it? Kini ko nyere gi ya nna. Kedu be ko ba nyere gi ya? Hey! Jesus.
Yo, abusia for say the money ehunu no. Na eno na che say ama abranti yi wo ba bonten a ye nua be ma Mr. Ike Namdi. Abranti ni din eno na abranti na mo hu ni say oda for ni din eno na abaya no so the Miss Charity. Wono abranti ya ba bonten ni tebe betu edwa say be ma so wunye usika na sa wo hwe no wo besuafo wo ma no papa wo nua ma no wo na wo nya wadin so disi kan be bo abusuafo a so obekwa kofo bi baba pa so obehwe no there bi ene nka de kokoko ball chacha de ko to chacha pense bi anom ye gamble ya enumum ebeye na denti a wo kasa ense we nyina no emu chim wo mi twa mo me ba de be ba beso God City International Edumedie Acheshe so 14 days prayer and fasting. Na asampuna eda etie say remember me oh God. Na said the one winning no COVID-19 ho hyehyɛ ye no ho enioma eba ye ntina amadodo na ate ada empaipopo ayeden ede ama wo ne no na ama the lack of God wo ma hu say hu be yese Yakobon ebe kai ne ma ewo ewiye emre yimu na ade biara wo mo ade biara wo mo ehwehwe no wo mo nsa etimi aka entomodi 14 days prayer and fasting ahwehwe so adwumede ebe start on the 1st of September 2020 2020 ekosi on the 13th of September 6:30 p.m. sharp and adwumadie no ebekoso enti bra the Lamb of God City International ewo Abeka Market Butcher Street no the first speed ramp on your left asori no ewo honum na won susu Nyankopon enkai wo ewo wamane hunu na oje enye bodia kan ho na wabrabo enye se de etie de biara eda ebusia for me sanso emamo akwaba sunku ebi ne be me guest Miss Mexical oba Messi mi mo akwaba
Mini abasika pa ofe. Meje osu bebe.
bibi aboko die
Nyame adom bibia ye fine.
Sure.
Wo nkwen ye wade.
ye de radio asinya no krepa ye won kwade ye wo ade na wo hwe ye nua bema Mr. Ike Nnamdi ne nsem odi aba betu eje wa hwe ni video tan wo munu yi a chese abaye ye ja na simu no na futo wode ma emema se wo benye sika pa se wode betu hwe oba de enye fa ye gambling all because of say wa hwe abaya charity university for 5 good years a just anke hu ahia say the wo be propose na enie ne so abanfa so de ama no hu say yes sika otugu ye krampo no nya ho mfa so krampo na abaya say je no esi enti efuto wo enam na ya wa fam enu nti wo de sanse we to egan ne kwan so ano
Yo mini abasika me da wase. Na because nyame nsura so. Me na makonyi so echi ya too much. Etie foni ahwefo ni na say da mo de bre. Ehwe nyame so ensure ebre. Na mini abe me ya se mi de. Mobo
no correct
me hu ni say mini abe ma no wabra obibi hu na fe de disappointing say enya ade a ekoyi ya na ye ni na emo before bibi besi no ya dey bi anka ye say meet me like asema person me can say obuneni gu nyoma bi so
okay
odi oye hwe na ababedum pempen so a edu no
okay
because me did this relationship mo no say oni ni paneti a so observe no so hu ni ye pa before anka otu anamo we kra ko tu anamo marketplace no yes sure say guys so ni mo ba na one na edele no how well does he know the lady after 5 years na so hu say shit try na why na say we put any egunyo me so because den ya attitude bi be wo ba ni show chire na e ma ni hu say oba we onye serious and so ye serious. Me yasho so many encounter 5 years and draw na 1 week 5 good years. Yes, they've passed through so much things. Yes, obema na ke so hu oba oni de no sue nyansa. Then so bunenu gu so say obesesa na say be ye na say me ye ne ameya ma na obedom. Enu na dina ko wie say nia wo ye ma no school ni na o yes ni oba ne bedo no na so untimi mo bi ndo.
okay
enye ni awobeye ene be mo obi ado enti se hu science ni tem se nipa wei bre na me be bre ni hu agu enye odo bi odo me bibie ni wa kire o abo unu se oba mpewa ode na hu ma wo kran din ubehu ompewa ebe ye din se obeta ba won chen ko se oba won chen opentem asa koba ni a openti na ma ne ba won chen ni a wo ye ma ne ti na ma ne ba won chen enti oba won chen ni se na ni ka se wo ho she love to be with you but won chen because e bia wo di na go school o hia pocket money bi wa ko mu atare bi ope won se Nigeria ban so pe dressing pa enti e ka de wo titi bi enti wa invest in fact
oba Messi
wa to isi kebu mi ni aba ma mi London enti e ko ba se oba ni show say symptoms we ni na act that way ni na wogu na ni egusu because of ni awoya ma oba ni school fees o tia siko yi ma no na e ni say that may be oba na nko besisa oba ni so betimi ada ni say family person o de wo be ka me na ye ware a ni aye bibi ye ware a ni aye bi so bi obe free say ye adwen papa morals na e ma oba ni tu sa na mo enso na bia da keke ena wajiji be ma na be
Mercy.
aba
O de ma me brɛ mu kakra emfa emo. Ye nua bɛ ma ike. Ne nsɛm a wɔde tu dwa na kyerɛ sɛ we nye de di kan o. We ye de to so miɛnsa a ɛma de na si. We ye Charity ye the third girl a ɔno so de na si. Ni nyinaa so wɔ form o hwɛ wɔ mo. Enti na does it mean say ye nua bɛ ma yi. Wɔtɔ kyima wɔ baabi ana de nti na ama enoma we ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ na brabo mu. Because I will cast I will say we be our boon and yagu and no baby so and I'm person ma who say we ye de ka we ye de toso mi nsenti ade wo be bu ani agu mi o ma mi nsa so first one wo bu ani agu so second one wo bu ani agu so third one was a bu ani agu so
mi aba ye nia ike nadi ana namdi ebetumi aba say the kind of women or pen eno na ha no.
Okay.
Ebetumi aba say mba wo pen ye mba omo ye shepe.
Okay.
Heja
Okay.
high class. So high class pe obi oye efieba and oye marriage material. Obi like ono oba who say yes. Me na me ba some profon so mo nye ready for our way you. Enti emfa won o de wo te ne hot so. Emfa won e ka be bo won. Ono no wan ba se obetina.
Okay.
Or the way na adie. Enti me dey anya me wan emre no so a obekọ. Enti ultimu say the choice of women
And so
wrong.
Okay.
Ebetimi aba share obey ya wo video yi mu. Wo share oni oba ojo.
No correct.
Oni oba oda from kra. Wo share the dressing, the trousers or the mia na one the top ah. Or Yesicadicious. Me nya be ma no. Emo watu sikegu.
Na ye ka work as an say ubenya sika pa or see use your money for gambling than investing in any woman. Wako social bi mu wako how bi mu a eno kire say oba bia na ti say no to betu efosa because on social media kwako ye ba bia enkwada akọ empanifo kọ obi akọ ho no bi the here say ni panokuta smartphone wotimi log in log out wotimi ye nyoma bebro create account na hu kọ ne ba obi kokko tie sa nyoma we ono so beka say the ye nya be mayi kan ene e menso say na me so ma me dia to mitiri ebia ne mama akasa asen we bia kire ne papa ka bibi say ya kire no na wasaba be share the same thing with social media say oh ene no ano me dia to mitiri because of on social wakom bibi a wakom eno ntimi ba bonti me be tu fo bia sa e ma ne ye because of say the wafa muntini obi a na betimi akosa situation mu enu nti e wo say the wafa mu de ba bonti e be ka say ma obi a waste money e wo ba
Yo minya ba minya ba me kasa wo kasa no or kasa out of experience any oyawa
okay
wakom
okay
eno nkyerɛ sɛ nea wɔka no right
okay
the kind of woman that you are dealing with ɔbaa no ogyina mu na wɔn ne dealing no wo ne super from beginning na wo ne yɛ bi na wo hwɛ na sɛ you can say emboawa enko so spend one so one say baby one mbu ade from beginning obi wa who so ye be myself from beginning still na we say we see ka say that chin bi ebe ye yes e agro be so a efimfiti ase na me kasi say be ma no e wo mu say wakoye amu a wo ka na adwen you right wo fabi mu so no onye right because e man bi won so mo ni ate na omode na mo ni America ne se wo ye be ma na wo si so na wo oba bi kra wo bani gi ne ho na wo pese wo boa na wo boa na wo be ma no boa wo hu du e chinansa
okay
hype wo hu du e chinansa wo ma oba ni class na wo ma wo class enye sa ubuano na obe university we do university na say bia wo ye
so bia ye carpenter ni
na wo dey buana obe wi no beka say wo ni class but emra buana in a sense no be ba be overcome
that is
wo ye carpenter no
say emma be bua emma wo ekwan
it depend oba na wo ne dele no hwe na oba ne ni ate abrantie jinwa brabo oba papa ne ba hwe na no wa worry
okay
but the American said, "This is why a carpenter and I was share lady will wear SS. who person who born in university me poucho. Be a shop, showroom first. Be a shop first, upgrade the one, invest in yourself first. Send your wood in our no that should be your car. Still, wood in our now, so when your bar and I bet now. Then yes, who can say, who buano or that on their boa mean, won't mean trust you be out. Nipa bet me do yambo. Enti ano enye nyansa de ese wo be kodo wo beto for mama obi agina wo na mo before be mo obi agina na so ye den wo gina wo dida before wo dey so nipa ni mu dia exactly okay before be store ma obi make sure so branches okay betty pocket ye can say sika mo obi so fan koye shop no eno na make am anase obeka so ko to aduane na wo store aduane wo store room okay. Yeah, it's meant to when foul be and place it first above you. Okay. Don't depend on our life, but don't put the person above you. Okay. Because a person would jina faku. Now piano no do slower. Say would jina faku nitino. Onye ni papa, oni kaya, obebu weni mutia. Okay. This thing it happens everywhere. Okay. Even in our family. Okay. Say who will be suye bimu. Na say wo bua enkrofo mo wa around you make sure say wo no why e bibi papa bi e de ama wo enye say adachi bi wo wa nko weni na so mo be peja on be say be bu weni mutia say wo kra wo nye sika no wo de ye den ba no mo refi so mo sika half no e bo mo chensa na ba bonity enti enye say wo bu obi kra mo ani de obetimi abu ba kanyansa etu Jo, now ye share enemafo yi when you the first time I own so ba ye bema e propose to oba wa bontin aye wa pai say that. Aya na ye den kwa like den kwa na ya na e ba wo mu say abontin mum e na ye me show off. Ye me kire ye say an ye do. Aya na sa propose an ye ni wo fi aya na enye yi ana me pese me mu. Ebe ye yi. But this in life, obi opeso upon extreme to express how much or value and our adore and answer or do and our cherish you. Or per se or man depends in any so. Idea when you saw so you are proud of it. And that you are proud of them. Let me show with that say who say I am the ground you wear the name on but then you saw the people with now more and problem will be a new because with decision we take it to express how much we mean to you and problem be nipa na wo koyes amano no eno na mo keji kakra nipa na wo koyes how much on ni so okay how much odo how much onipa no so epel eno na we hu a obeye mistake but at times what there was so many ways or the cheers are there or the chebi be say ni so bibi etinke no de ankenye big deal na mo nipa na wo koyes amano no e krase ni ni ebie odo ana wondo sa question we na busa ho ansa na we tu sa na mo say o kwa ko ti obi enim e wo nipa dudu enim na me dem hu ni say ene ye wo modern world abafu ene nyo masesa enti so many ways it no bi wo no atwi wo no atwi wo no de nsa kosi wo keke no aware wo ene so de oni mo say ye wo method bebre ene bridal shower ene I can't say bachelor's night and a whole lot but it depending on who individual and how I will pay with you. Okay, yeah, how I buy in the ya and sa say a man na or reacted to such a year proposal out a trifa a memo because of say one more get a shock of the but anything more reacted that way. And I say, a woman cassa a decision say, I brand him open anymore. Say, I need it. You'll be able to all this while all pretending. It's not saying so only panasana or bar one pill. Okay, Bema one pill. And who any good soon cassa will be please, ultimately please you be feelings are natural. A do no quarry the way I feeling about you know, young Yansan. It will all this while pretending. Nini ye betchwe. I just want to have any good so. to who send any yet try, and we answer to Salamon because of who any must say. Obey expressing the way you're feeling. Many sure so the bear man out of baby now proposing money pana. Obey ignore. There obey embracing with a whole lot of
because of shock background preventing
pen no because of
okay
bibi omunya one yes na ni so because when you so be na so oba wo life man you sure say you open door in their man say already on brand way
okay
I just say one cat and nipa no hu ne so fashion na hu value
okay
and yes onokra de ultimate share the money money because ade a on pay de on ye on pay aya mo go money nguso wo mra nipa no show action be say ni so
okay na de yankomo didi no esie ne ebinu susu se man na wo mo aba no wo mani ate wo mo fa wo be man na wo ye innocent of a year wo mo ne say wo sika nkwa de your opportunity omo relationship say an opportunity so mo dupi memo mo ye innocent enti afuto ben and ade be masa man no relationship as an opportunity to dupe people because nipa no was kind ma me fa no didi odo no bo ha ohun because of be man ne don wenti no one penu be na say be man don no wa ye na agin say bibia me ya ma gusa mi bibia me de be ma enu ti no afa hu no didi ni sika wo wi an wa jana 50 fi e be man no bi no wo ho no so so a wo no bibi kakere bi opa fi oba no wenti obe ye na agin so obe ye bibia so den e de ama na fe ye chiro be hu no wasa kwa kofa ye oba fofo efuto be na ade be ma afamily no nyina e ma ne me ma ne nyina
you won say you won nipa bebre suni omubai ye won crofo bi wo won take advantage of others so who say wo pena asem a na all take you for granted no take advantage san crofo no omo wo ho de nyame amboa na wo kopie o ma fa saa no be ye want me enye hwen fa wo na ye wo embe mebi so omo back won say emba ni bebre so nim say embe ma na enye emba ni bebre fi say embe ma no be taking on any be don say na ekoso no now they say o call the baby eto ono so na mo ni na da awa na onu enya no ana say moment a won say be ma no e show interest of say oji no be ji ni na say na e be ya wo before a wo be ja no na na wo be disappoint no so aye den atini kiti pa ye ni ama ye hu ye ni ate yama ye hu ye ni ate ase we pese o yusu ni nyansa we su pese o yusu ni nyansa na su ni nemu no eye wo individual no e na ese utimi build wa dream no in a way say hu no kra be hu ni eye enye no kra nso eye ade be temporary thing na e be for abrabo mu nso a ube hu na wetu nwa na mo enti eye suban no obi wo wa sa notie obe take advantage of you wo say oh me pewasem obeta ma bi ope bia ye be ye e de ama no enti no eye sa na o uni pa no do eni mu ye den etwitwi fo ba omo ye sa no mu nja
okay
sa emba na omo de omo nim se omo mpo obi hwe ube wo free be me want me fan che wo da either so who say me obsessed with you there is no way why na just so be jai also why you say obe jai but na who di ni sika o born form kan who say nyame ampatawa obi there was last time obi e kan say the boyfriend actually say who ni so obi dowa obi timi eku onu ane ho because of do sin no enti so mo share na so say asuban ye fa 90 umpo obi a enji ni sika umpo bi oma wade a empe because umpe no enye saa ye enkoma both side because they are broad there e bi bonjia obi wa won kan hwe o na se meme nyame na so ye be so
I was here for aha ena ebrebe ma ye kwan ma ye di adwumadi no asiye ma no ekọ bebe otimu so ba ma tie jana ansha afutuo no ade ebesa na wonkan bi because bebre na ewo ho ede ma no subscribe to the channel no say when ya ebiom so like videos na share all the social media platforms with me follow you where IG page @atuma_gh_ meeting at the FKS Kappa Miss Mexican and the menino education com that's on it ebesa na share makram
fitiani asese ni din ene your friend say mechanic za na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no Baby a me hwe bia ma change afro ena maba too much GH. Hwe na Prophet Kumti acha me so me hwe.